Okay, so last night I set up the new Yale Dorman number 3 or version 3, and everything went well. Took maybe 45 minutes to do it. And one thing that's not covered by the user's manual is how to set up the app for the lock. So what you have to do is push the unlock button, enter your master code, and then you select 0 in the menu to activate the app sync feature, and then you push unlock again to confirm. And then after that you remove the backplate here, and you have a QR barcode here that you scan with the app. So I'll put a link in the description to the app. We'll download it, and then it's pretty straightforward. But yeah, everything's working. You can open it either with the app or with a key tag like this. So you just enter your PIN and unlock, and it's done.